In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks in ClickUp. This is a very useful feature when you end up with duplicate work, overlapping tasks, or situations where multiple updates need to be consolidated into a single, clean task. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to combine tasks without losing important information. To begin, sign in to your ClickUp account. Once you are inside, navigate to the workspace where your tasks are stored. This could be any area you are currently working in, such as marketing, operations, or even personal project spaces. The key is to make sure you are in the correct workspace before continuing. Next, open the specific list that contains the tasks you want to merge. It is important to verify this step carefully, because merging tasks permanently combines their data, and you want to avoid working in the wrong list. Once you are in the right place, select the task you want to begin with. Clicking on the task will open the Task Details panel, where you can view all associated information and available actions. Inside this view, look toward the top corner of the task window for the three-dot menu, also known as the ellipsis icon. This menu contains advanced task options. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Merge. This action will open a Merge dialog, where ClickUp prompts you to choose the task that will receive the merged information. At this point, select the destination task, which is the task you want everything to be combined into. It is important to choose carefully, because the destination task will remain as the main task, while the other task will be merged into it. All comments, attachments, and activity history from the merged task will be transferred into the destination task. Take a moment to double-check that the correct task has been selected. This helps ensure that no important data is lost or combined incorrectly. Once you are confident in your selection, proceed to confirm the merge action. ClickUp will then process the request and combine both tasks into a single unified task. All relevant details, including discussions, files, and updates, will now exist together in one place, making your workflow cleaner and easier to manage. And that is it. You have successfully merged tasks in ClickUp, helping reduce duplication and keep your project structure organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.